Hey guys, welcome back to another video on Getbox 160. Today we will be reviewing the mechanical hot swappable keyboard, the Yunzii YZ87. The original price was $69, but it was on sale for $35, so that was a really good deal, 50% off. So yeah, let's get into it. Here's the keyboard here. It comes in a box. Usually it's not beat up, but yes, it was today. So, let's open it up. It's hard to unbox it with one hand. Here it is. You get, stay open, please. Thank you. You get manual, different languages, manual here. Those on this side right there. So here it is, an accessories box right there. Pull it out. Accessories, and yeah, I'll switch it back to regular cam for a second, and then we'll do it again. All right, so in the accessories box, let's get everything out. So keycaps. Keycap and switch puller, a little like plastic thing, a little piece like it's like a sideboard, mother chip maybe, I don't know, and then clouds. Sorry about the glare. And then you got your cable, just a plain USB cable, wire, and 2 extra switches. So, yep. It comes with the Yunzii branded milk switches. So, do a quick try and get a sound test. Let's see if my phone can pick this up. I don't know if y'all can hear that, but yeah. So that's what they sound like. Pretty quiet, decently quiet, I don't know. But yeah. Cable, just plain rubber, couldn't get it braided, but what you expect with a budget keyboard. Got rubber things on the ends, so stuff doesn't get into your cable. It's a decently long cable. But yeah, back to the other wait, actually, hold up. Open this. So this is the keycap and switch puller. It's like lavenderish, herbal, I don't know. But it's 2-in-1, so that's good, and it's not no plastic cheap one. But yeah, so set that to the side and switch back to regular view. All right, so now we're in this view. Let me get the plastic off. So it comes with a dust cover, so dust doesn't get in your keyboard while you're not using it. So take that off. Okay, so here's the keyboard itself. It's like 75% keyboard. It's plastic shell, 2 flip-up feet, so like that, and then on slip pads. It's got the logo on the back, new name, and just all the stuff. Let's check the RGB out, because it has RGB, which is nice. It is wired and wireless, and can connect to Windows and Mac. Focus phone. Yep, there we go. So here's the RGB. It's got different modes. Show you the different modes. I got itch. Okay. I don't know what that blue light is. One of these are my favorites. let's just set it back to regular RGB. Let's do that. But, set it back down. Sorry, guys, I'm gonna cut that out of the video. But yeah, here's the keyboard. It sometimes fades away. It's nice. Let's take the keycaps off. Also those little glass things, I'll show you what those are in a minute. Let's take that keycap off. Plop up to the side. That's nice. Yeah, it's the same switches. It's 3-pin. It says it's 3 to 5 pin, but I don't see a 5 pin on the switches. Let's grab the key back. Get it correctly. So you, where is it? This thing right here, this, and I'm gonna do the motherboard one. This go on these 3 keys. So what you do is you grab your keycap and switch puller. I'm gonna switch you back to the other view. Once I pull them off, I'll show you back to the view. Just don't know lose them. And grab the switches out. By the way, this is my first hot swappable keyboard, so yeah. If I could grab it, it'd be nice. It's a little bit of work for your fingers, but it's fine. It's not that bad. Younger kids should be fine with it. So then, once you get all that off, give me a second. Once you have all the keycaps and switches off for that part right there, you grab your little glass thing. Grab it. Hold on. Grab it. And you slide it in right where those are. Okay, so it's in there. Now you grab your little piece. You peel off the plastic. I already did that, and you put it in right there. Now, when you press your keys, it'll shine through like that. So yeah. And then they also have a spot right here. But here's the sound test. Yeah, that's the sound test. So yeah, that's the keyboard. That's all for today's video. If you want me to do more review videos, just let me down in the comments below. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. If you did enjoy the video, make sure to like and subscribe. Peace out.